Hey guys, welcome back to another Etsy day in the life vlog. I just want to pop on and say hey, show my face a little bit because I'm probably not going to show my face too much in this video. It's going to be like a true hardcore work day. I have so much to get done. This week has been insane. Poor little Dixie, she got surgery. That's why she has a cone on her head. She's doing fine. Everything's great, but it has proven to be a full-time job to keep the dog from wanting to jump or run around or be crazy, which I'm so glad that she's feeling so great, but also I'm just like, stop, you can't jump around. So I bring this pillow in and she knows to sit on it and everything, but she's doing really well. But it's been taking up like a good chunk of my week. On top of that, I had to go to the doctor because I have a sinus infection. So we both are on antibiotics. Yeah. But anyway, it has just kind of screwed up my week a little bit, so I have to do so much today. So I figured today was the perfect day to film a day in the life vlog so you guys can get a true sense of like what I do most days. So let's go over the things I have to do today. I need to finish the new releases, print and cut the new releases, film a new release video, film a plan with me, edit and upload the plan with me for this week, and I need to do listing photos, listings, get everything ready so that way tomorrow I can film YouTube videos because I'm behind on that too, which I'm not trying to complain. Like, I love my dog and I would do anything for my dog. So it's just like, I thought her having surgery, I thought it'd be stressful the first day. And then I thought when I got her home, she'd kind of be like doped up on medicine and like not wanting to do much, which sounds terrible. And I thought I could just put her in my office and hang out with her and do work. But like I said, she's been super active, which I'm really glad, but I just feel like I have not accomplished a lot this week. So anyway, that is that for this little intro. I'm gonna go get some breakfast, take my medicine, and then we are gonna get started with all the things I have to do today. So yeah, let's get into it.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up.
Okay guys, so I'm here. It is the following day and I just wanted to pop on and show my face and say that I'm sorry this video was kind of all over the place, but it's just kind of a weird week. Dixie's doing really well, so I'm really happy with that. I'm proud of her and I'm starting to feel better. I don't feel great today. I think the antibiotic that I'm on is just making me feel not the greatest, which that happens. I kind of like don't do well with medicines anyway. Like they make me feel not great. Anyway. So I am just struggling today, but today was new release day. So actually some of the footage I showed you guys in this video was actually from this morning, but I got everything up for this week. So I'm really excited about that. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna have the link to my shop down below. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I'm sorry that it was not my best work, I feel like, but I just had kind of an insane week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so that way you're part of our family. You get to see all the behind the scenes from my shop and all the other videos that I put out there on the internet. And if you click the bell notification, which is here, it's somewhere, you'll be notified every time that I upload, so you'll never miss a video. So make sure you do that as well. But I'm gonna sign off here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.